This is Open Conversation.
What's good? What's good? What's good live? What's good TV? Buddha Blaze. I'm really, what do I do?
I'll start with you, Mugambi.
Yeah.
How did you feel about that showcase?
Yo, I thank you for starting with me, man. It wasn't what we expected, but I had a good time.
One of the things that has always attracted me to hip hop is religion doesn't play a role in hip hop.
Okay.
I was there, I was like, because Talib was 2,000 shillings, you know, and Talib is still in the game, still very dope, still Talib Kweli, you know. So that's what I felt. Like, you know, Mos Def right now, he's what? The 2,000 shillings, yes, the 5,000 shillings. That's what I felt was a little bit high.
Blaze. What's your opinion on this whole
I didn't read
situation?
the tweets, you know, so I'm just trying to, you know, all this is new
True.
to me. Just trying to digest, you know.
Okay. Let's start with the pricing. Like he said, let's start there.
Well, really, the pricing is really how much the artist costs, you know.
Okay.
Really, Yasin is an eccentric individual, you know. He's a filmmaker. He's out there, man. Nobody. He don't do shows unless he really wants to do them, you know.
Okay.
And that's his price, you know. Whatever we charged is what we paid him. You know? It's not really. We make no money, you know. We do this for the love. We do this for the fans. If you're complaining that can we bring these people and then you can't pay what they charge, and then you don't deserve to have them.
If they keep doing strange stuff, it's going to kill it. You know, it's not me. It's just
Like kill what though?
Smirnoff died. You remember Smirnoff, the festival? Blankets and Wine basically died. How many festivals have died in Kenya?
Okay, so
That's all politics, man. I don't really get into politics. I'm all about good vibes, promoting, you know, positivity and keep going, whatever. I don't know what died or what, you know, like those are just, I keep facts, you know. I didn't book Mos Def to do a concert. That's on paper. I don't know where you saw concert. Go down to the flyer.
Yeah, it's written showcase, but
Go down to the, it's not even written showcase.
Yeah.
Just go to the flyer. It's very clear. It says Nairobi Hip Hop Rhapsody present an exclusive evening with Yasin Bey. It's an evening. We don't control what an artist gives the people.
Yeah.